If you've been wondering how to make your own dish soap, you're in the right place. I'm going to tell you, this is so easy. It's 3 simple ingredients and you can make it in a flash. My name is Cindy, the Clean Snob. I'm a 30-year professional house cleaner, and there's a reason why you want to make this yourself. 1, it's cheaper, it's easier, and why not? We use this on our dishes, our countertops. If there's one thing you want to go natural on, it's your dish soap. Let's get started making our own dish soap. You're going to want to start with distilled water. Get a measuring cup and add 1 cup of distilled water to a mixing bowl. Then you're going to want to put it in the microwave for 15 or 20 seconds to get it warm, because our next ingredient is table salt and we want it to dissolve in the warm water. So I use 1.5 teaspoons, and you can use up to 2 depending on how thick you want your dish soap. If you like your dish soap thick, add 2 teaspoons because this makes it thicker. If you like it thin, then just add 1. I add 1.5. Then you want to get 1 cup of SalSuds, and you fill up the 1 cup of your measuring cup and add it to the salt water mixture. Then stir it in and dissolve it really good. You can see how it's going to get thick up really good, just like a dish soap would be, and you just keep stirring until it's all dissolved really well. Then you want to add essential oil. Now, you don't have to do this if you don't want the essential oil, and you can add any flavor you want. 8 to 13, 14 drops, that'll do it. And it just smells so good. It's just nice and clean. And look at the texture of this. And this is using 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Add it to a container of your choice. And this is what it looks like and how it works. It's just a little bit. It works excellent. You're just going to love it. And I love how you can add your own scent to it too. It suds up so well. It makes it squeaky clean. Like, you can see the suds and how good it cleans this glass. Just, there's no residue left at all. It suds so excellent. You're just going to love how this works. It is a great dish soap, and it's fantastic knowing what is in your dish soap because you use it so much around the house. If you found this useful, I would like for you to like and subscribe and come back for more. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I would love to know.